Ask the Doctor is a presentation of Ryan Ranch Medical Group, providing comprehensive quality health care for your entire family, proudly serving the Monterey Peninsula. Now, here's your host, Dr. Tel Franklin.
How do I find a good doctor, and how do I know I have a good physician? I think the key to any doctor-patient relationship is communication. Does he or she sit there, allow you to ask questions, and do you feel like your questions are taken seriously? Do you feel like your questions are answered appropriately? Does he or she show you empathy? And do you walk out feeling satisfied? Do you walk out feeling, I got something out of that visit? It's not a bad idea to have a list so that you can make sure that you get value in each one of your doctor's visits. Communication, it's the heart and soul of the doctor-patient relationship. If you've got it, hang on to that doctor. She's worth $1 million.
Dr. Tel Franklin is one of the nation's leading experts on integrative medicine, board-certified physician at Ryan Ranch Medical Group in Monterey, now with 2 locations, and author of Expect a Miracle. If you have a question for the doctor or would like to see a topic covered on the show, please call the number on your screen.